Hi, this is Joydeep Bhattacharjee, and this is Project-2 for my Udacity Nano degree for Azure Machine Learning Engineer. In this screencast, I'm going to show these four things as per the rubric: working deployed ML endpoint, deployed pipeline, available auto ML model, and success API request to the endpoint. So this is my Azure Machine Learning Studio, and I use my own Azure subscription to complete the project. And this is my home tab. So for the deployed ML endpoint, I'll go to the endpoint, and you can see this is the bank marketing uh, endpoint. And if I go inside the endpoint, I can see that all the information, it's healthy, it's in the deployment state, and I can consume this. So if I go to the test, I can quickly run a test with this data set, and I'll get a output from the endpoint. And in this case, the result is no, which means my um, bank marketing loan is denied. And for the deployed pipeline, the second rubric, I'll go to the pipelines. And you can see there are multiple pipelines that has been done. Today I ran this pipeline again. So today is January 4th, and I can show this pipeline. And this is for my Auto ML project. This pipeline from the Azure ML. And this is from my notebook, which I use to create the pipeline. So if I go inside the pipeline, and you can see the status is complete, and we can do the view details of the published pipeline, and you can see the REST endpoint being shown here. And this particular graph which shows the pipeline. And I can, for my third rubric, available auto ML model. So if I go to automated ML, and you can see there are three automated ML runs. The first two, which is ML of Project-1 and Project-2, are part of the one which I created using the Azure ML Studio. The second one, which is Project-2, has some parameters changed. We reduced the total time it will run. And the third one, which is the most recent one, just now I ran. This experiment and this particular AutoML is created through the notebook, and I can get inside that AutoML model. You can see it's completed, but it took a little more time. So there's a warning showing experiment timeout reached. And this is a best model, which is voting ensemble for that particular AutoML run, which is triggered from the notebook SDK using the pipeline. And last but not the least, I need to show the success API request to the endpoint. So I'll go to my Windows PowerShell, and I will run the endpoint.py. I set up everything, login and everything. So if I run endpoint.py with the same data set I did from the test, I'll get the same result from the API endpoint. Okay, there you go. Thank you.